In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in OneNote. First, open OneNote and navigate to the specific page where you want your graph to appear. You will see the familiar OneNote interface with your existing notes. Ensure you are on the correct page to prevent any confusion later on. By starting in the right location, you streamline your workflow and keep everything organized. This is crucial for maintaining clarity in your notes. You can easily find the page by scrolling through your notebook sections on the left side of the screen. Next, select Insert from the menu at the top of the screen. You will notice a drop-down menu appear, displaying various options for what you can add to your notes. Here, look for Spreadsheet and then click on New Excel Spreadsheet. This action will embed a new Excel file directly within your OneNote page. By using Excel, you gain access to powerful data manipulation tools that OneNote alone cannot provide. This is important because it allows you to create dynamic charts with ease while still keeping everything within OneNote. Once the Excel spreadsheet is embedded, double-click on it to open it in Excel. You will see a new window pop up where you can enter your data. This step is crucial because it allows you to input the numerical information that will drive your graph. As you enter data, Excel provides a flexible environment to adjust your inputs. You will notice that the Excel interface is user-friendly, so you should feel comfortable navigating through it. Now that you have entered your data, the next step is to select it. Click and drag your mouse over the cells containing your data to highlight them. After highlighting your data, choose Insert from the Excel menu and then click on Recommended Charts. This action prompts Excel to analyze your data and suggest the best chart types for your information. This is essential because it helps you visualize your data effectively. The recommendations are based on common data patterns, making it easier to choose the right representation. After selecting recommended charts, a dialog box will appear displaying various graph types, such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. Take a moment to review the options presented. Pick the graph type you want by clicking on it. This choice is significant because it determines how your data will be interpreted visually. Selecting the right chart can greatly enhance understanding and communication of your information. Once you've made your selection, click OK to create the chart. Finally, save the Excel spreadsheet to ensure your chart remains attached to your OneNote page. You can do this by clicking Save or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and S. This step is important because it confirms that all your hard work is preserved. After saving, return to OneNote and you will see your newly created chart displayed right on the page. This visual representation will enhance your notes and make your information clearer for future reference. If you're using OneNote on iPhone or iPad, the process may differ slightly. The easiest option is usually to create the chart in Excel first and then insert it as a picture or spreadsheet in OneNote. This method allows you to utilize Excel's robust charting capabilities while still integrating smoothly into your notes. By following these steps, you have successfully created a graph in OneNote. You can now use your graph to enhance your notes and presentations. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.